Assembling an upper cabinet. Before you start assembly, collect all of the required parts for your goFlatpacks product. Remember to look at the labels on the parts to help you determine which ones you need. The first part you'll be working with is the top panel and one side panel. Glue along the edge of your top panel, then lift your side and top panel up to meet together. Ensure panels are square and the edges are flush, then screw the two panels together. Repeat the process with your remaining side panel. Turn your cabinet carcass around so that the bottom is facing you. On your bottom panel, glue along the edges, put into position and ensure edges are flush before affixing the panel to the side panels with screws. Flip your cabinet carcass so that the edge stripping is facing down and the bare back edge of the cabinet carcass is facing upwards. Place some glue along the edges. Your back panel may have a small marking like this towards one edge. This indicates the edge that is to line up with your bottom panel. Place your back panel on your cabinet carcass, ensuring it's square, and then proceed to affix with screws. Screwing down one edge, followed by the adjacent edge to square the cabinet. Finish by inserting all remaining screws. Congratulations! You have finished assembling your goFlatpacks upper cabinet.